Well guys, I think all the new videos start in this little general area here. This is the last ride of the season for me. I'm going back to Wisconsin in 6 hours, I think, and we're gonna go get some GoPro stuff. I'm trying to do a summer trip way up north or way up west into California and go up to Alaska and all the fun stuff. And I want to get the audio set up so you can hear me like this, even at speed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Best Buy and get a media mod and maybe a new microphone so we can have the good stuff. People ask me, oh, why do you like the weather in Texas? Well, because it is 48 degrees. I call shenanigans on that. It's probably 50 plus, you know. We got to go through downtown a little bit. My dad's trying to choreograph lunch date with me and all this other stuff, and I need to go wash the bike and a couple of other things, but we're okay. So you see this bike's all dirty. I got to wash it. It could use some love. I tried to schedule something with Road Glide and Brother Cowboy, but things came up. You know, that's one issue with me. I give everybody a short notice and then they don't have time to actually be able to do anything. You know, I just got the video today of Chris Caliente giving me the shout out. That was kind of cool. You know, for him to say, oh, he really rides this bike. That's kind of a big deal, you know, especially coming from him. I left a comment in there saying pretty much that, hey, he's the one that inspired me to do all this stuff. He inspired me to go get me a Goldwing, inspired me to start making videos on it and all that other stuff. So, you know, shout outs to him, honestly, not me. Forget me, it's all about him. Like I said, I talked to him today or a couple days ago about how I can get a better mic setup, and he gave me some recommendations, so we're gonna go and get those. You can hear that DCT just hopping through the gears. I need to change the oil. I'm at like 8,000 miles already, so you change the oil every 8,000 miles, and I'm a little bit over it right now, but we're gonna milk it and let it sit there until April, and we're good to go. Great city of Dallas, Texas. That there is Dallas, Texas. This is the Reunion Tower here. You can actually go up in there. Oh, sorry, being a distracted driver here. You can actually go up in there and have lunch. I have a chef, his name's Wolfgang Puck. He owns the restaurant in there and the restaurant in the Union Station place. It's over there, the little white building right there. You can kind of see it maybe, but he owns that too. We're gonna go through downtown just for the hell of it. If anybody knows where this is, I'll give you a hint. Look at that place up there. That's just, boom, that's all I can give you. That's the only hint. As you can see, Dallas is like this. It has a ring around it. That's downtown Dallas. Within that circle is downtown. Outside the circle is uptown. North, obviously, at least. I would just want to give you a quick little tour of this place. We have the Greyhound train station right there, bus station. We have McDonald's here. Just a heads up, don't park here without buying, because there's a guy that sits in there waiting for you to just leave, and he will call his friend and they will tow your car away. Kind of another cool thing is, I used to work here at this hotel. This is called the Adolphus Hotel. I was a valet driver, and yeah, I used to work here. Right there in that little spot that we just passed. This is called AT&T Discovery District. You see that TV right there? Sometimes they'll turn that into like an actual TV, and they have Dallas Stars games or Cowboys games or whoever's playing. They'll have their game going, kind of like for away games, not here games obviously, but for away games. That's what always happens. I was gonna say that's kind of like a sketchy part of like this one road right here. This used to be the kind of the cross section. I'd get off of this road, I'd get off of work from that Adolphus place and get on this road and go straight to my girlfriend's house. She lives, ex-girlfriend, she lives that way. So yeah, further that way would be called Deep Ellum. It's known to have lots of different bars. It used to be kind of like the, I guess, the industrial side of Dallas, I guess, maybe. And now it's bar area. There we go. That put me in sport mode. Again, here's the other side of Dallas. Pretty cool. This way is North Dallas. Kind of the fancier parts of Dallas are there. Higher end houses. When we get closer, we might see a nice exotic car. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know if you guys saw that last video when I do the unboxing of these highway tags. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them very well. My camera's, there you go, maybe that's it. Yeah, they're right there. They look good, feel good. Here's your chance to see. We have this, the train station, or the train system. It's called the DART train, Dallas Area Rapid Transit. But yeah, so this is the DART train. I used to have to ride that train every day to go to school. We made it. Best Buy, here it is. I can get these gloves off. Leroy. Like I left a piece of gum or like a little road glide, your little thing you gave me, welded to the seat. All right, let's go. Look at this place, busy. What a coincidence, right? The busiest day of shopping is the day after Christmas, right? Sort of, yeah. Sort of. All right, we found it over here. Yeah. This is the GoPro stuff. Maybe we can get a drone while we're here, you know? What I'm looking for is Media Mod, which is right there, 80 bucks. It allows me to, it allows me to hook up a mic so I can make my videos even better. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy this. I was thinking of buying the remote, making it a little better. So guys, this is the drone I'm trying to look at buying. This puppy folds up, especially for that trip to California. It's legal. You don't have to get any FAA clearance, blah, blah, blah from them because it's under 0.55 pounds. This one shoots better video, but you gotta have special something. This is the one. Don't look at that price tag. That's not the correct price tag. I think that one is, but still. The problem with all this GoPro stuff is once you get one little thing, you're gonna want to get everything. Today we're picking up the Media Mod and a microphone to make better moto vlogs. When will we use it again? I don't know. It's gonna be April, but we'll try to test out the microphone, make sure all that looks good, feels good. I'm trying to see if I want Casey. And then there's a little Casey light right here. But we're trying to figure out which one we want. We're going on that trip in April, and we got to have lots of space to carry cameras and batteries and stuff. That Casey's a little too small, so we're gonna go look at this one over here. They have this bag over here that's a little bit bigger, a lot bigger. Look at that thing. But then I got to worry about space on the bike. Everybody's like, oh, you should get you a trailer. No, I don't want a trailer. I think we're just gonna go with this stuff right here. Get a Media Mod and a microphone to make better videos. Get rid of the wind noise on the bike. I wonder what happened to this guy's car. Look at that thing. Homie's all tatted up.
At this point, my dad called to say, let's go have breakfast.
That way you have room. Oh my God. Yeah. Bye, Dad. Love ya. Kind of a cool thing, if you guys know at all where we're at. We're on William D. Tate Avenue here in, I would still consider this Dallas, but this is obviously not Dallas. We're on our way to a little dealership called, drum roll please, DFW Honda. That's kind of my go-to dealership. They already have all the accessories. There are a couple of other places around here that don't really have the accessories. You got to order them. Like, I don't want to have to order something. I want to just show up, hey, I want that, okay, good, let's go install it right now. And normally they can, they just, hey, you know, it's gonna be all day, but we can do it. Okay, cool, I got nothing but time, baby. I sold them my old Goldwing, my black one, and that's when I had both Goldwings. I don't need two Goldwings. We're gonna go pick up some wax to throw it on here to make it look all nice and cute. We still need to go home and pack. Dang it. Well, this is DFW Honda, and lo and behold, they are closed. Which is a good thing, I guess. Not really, but whatever. Well, dang. They're closed. So I was just gonna go pick up some polish from them. I guess not. Awkward. That dealership, DFW Honda, was nice enough to help my buddy Chris Caliente make a key for his Goldwing, Big Sexy. He rode it, or he trailered his bike all the way from Memphis and forgot the key. Chris, if you're watching this, it's funny because it will happen to me too. I've done stuff like that. I've, you know, maybe not my key on this occasion, but I have done it with my car, or I lock the keys in the car. It's kind of the same thing. Like, oh man, did I really just do that? Yep, I did. We learn from our mistake. It won't happen again, right? They were nice enough to help out Chris. Art, they're inside the dealership, was nice enough to help out Chris, and the other guy, I forget his name, but he's like the lead Goldwing tech over there. The good thing about that dealer is they have stuff. Like I said, they have accessories on the wall. Just, hey, pick what you want. Let's go right now. There's no waiting or anything. Well, maybe if it's busy, but you know.
We've got a badass over here.
I dropped off my little medallions I got from Knoxville to Larry and Dave. Let's go get some gas. This puppy has a 18-mile range. We're already flashing, you see. Where do you have like engine treatment, like to leave the, like a stabilizer for the gas? So we're looking for this stuff that's like stabilizer right here. This is the stuff right here. This is what we want. So perfect. We're in one small predicament here. My nice little bucket over there doesn't fit on anything. So let's figure out what we're gonna do. I'm thinking right there. Won't be too crazy. All right, guys. That's the last view I'll see of that city in like 3 months.
We do the full moon.
Alright, so this is the fun part about the airport. Got a lot of stuff going. So,
Just put it in a bin for me.
oh, in a bin? So my bag has to be rechecked. It didn't get scanned for some reason.
That's a carry-on? Who carries a carry-on like that?
Godzilla.
You ever watch Willy Wonka? You know they have the little gun to shrink everything? We got that puppy in here somewhere, so. Shrink ray, there you go. So we're here at the Dallas Zoo, and look at the monkeys right here. The monkeys. You're a monkey. You see, she's a monkey. I was trying to make it look like we're at the zoo and you're the animal. Yeah. Yeah, through the glass, like we're in jail. Now it's the other way around.
Probably 14:30.
What's his tip? Well, you guys know we had to do it, right? Chick-fil-A.
Anybody traveling with children, we hate you.
So I got a new trick. So instead of waiting in line over there, I'm normally Group 9 through American. So you just hang out here for a little bit. Eventually, the line gets short. You see, it's really short over there. And then you get on. So I don't have to wait over there and look cute. Well, here we are. Back in. DFW. Back in Milwaukee, not DFW. What's that? The good thing about this bag is it makes a good motorcycle bag, obviously, but it also makes a good travel bag. Like, look at this. It's a little scuffed on the bottom, but that's okay. All right, let's get in this Uber and let's go home. How are you, sir? I just want to close it out by saying thank you so much for watching, guys. If you made it this far, congrats. If you're curious about the Chick-fil-A thing, that was my present from my mom, a Chick-fil-A sleeping bag. Again, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Lastly, if you're curious on what my editing studio looks like, this is it right here. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good night.